Morning children. Already we have discussed HCF, that is factor, and HCF. Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number, and HCF is the highest common factor. We also call it as greatest common divisor. In this video we will find out how to find out HCF using different methods. There are two different methods to find HCF. One is prime factorization method, other one is division method. First we will see what is prime factorization method. First method we are discussing prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. You know already how to find out the prime factors of a number. Let's see this method. First I am taking the numbers. Earlier we took 12, 30 and 36. 12, 30, 36. Now find out the prime factor of each number separately. 12. Okay. Prime factors. 2 is a prime number which is divisible to 6 times. Only we use prime numbers. Next 2 is divisible again 3 times and 3 1 time. Therefore the prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. These are the prime factors of 12. Now let's take the number 30. Prime number 2 is divisible to 15 times. 2 1 time 2, 1 left, 2 5 10. 2 15 times. 15 is not divisible by prime number 2. Next prime number 3 is divisible. 3 5 times. And then 5 is divisible 1 time. Therefore the prime factors of 30. The prime factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. Now let's take the number 36. 2 is divisible. 2 1 time 2. 3 we have here 1 left. 1 and 6 16. 2 8 is 16. Again prime number 2 is divisible. 2 9s 18. Next 2 is not divisible. Taking prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. And again take 3. Therefore the prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now by finding HCF in this prime factorization method, common factors first you circle it. 2 is common for all the 3 and 1 3 is also common. 1 2 and 1 3 is common for all these 3 numbers. Therefore HCF is the product of those two common factors. HCF is the product of common factors. That is 2 into 3. HCF is 6. This method we call it as prime factorization method. We find out prime factors of the number. After writing prime factorization, then we circle the common factor and we find the product of those, that gives the HCF. HCF is here 6. HCF of the numbers is what? 6. Let's take another example. Five, 75 and 80. Okay. Prime factorization doing for 65. 65 prime number 5 is divisible. 5 1 time, 1 left, 5 3 times. And we know 13 itself is a prime number. 13 1 time. Now 75. Again 75 is divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 2 left, 5 5 is 25. 15 is divisible by 5, 5 3 times, and 3 is the prime number 1 time. These are the prime factors of 75. And let's see the prime factors for 18. 2 is divisible 40 times. 2 is divisible 20 times. Again 2 is divisible 10 times. 2 is divisible 5 times. Prime number 5 is divisible 1 time. Therefore the prime factors of 65 are 5 and 13, and for 75 5 into 5 into 3 and for 18 it is 2 4 times, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and then 5, and I am circling the common factor 5 5 5. Only this 5 is common for all the 3, 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore, we say that HCF is common factor for all the 3 numbers, that is 5. 5 is the HCF. Okay, this method is known as prime factorization method. Now let's find out HCF using division method. Another method is division method. Okay, in this division method, I am taking the same numbers, 12, 30 and 36. 12, 30, 36. In this division method, first step, take any two numbers out of these three numbers, 12 and 30. I am taking 12 and 30. Now which one is small? 12 is small than 30. 12 is a divisor, 30 is a dividend. Now 12 goes how many times in 30? 12 2 times. 12 2 is 24. Now what is the difference of this 30 and 24? As it is 6. After that, now we will continue the division by taking this 6 as a divisor and 12 is the dividend. Now 6 2 is 12. Now we got remainder 0. Okay, this procedure we should continue until we get 0. Now HCF of 12 and 30 is 6. Now we will do the step 2. In step 2, whatever we got HCF till now, that number and other number, what is we have left? 36. Now 6 and 36, 36 is divisible by 6 times. 6 6 36, leaving remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 12, 30 and 36 is 6. HCF of the given three numbers is 6. This method we call it as division method. Let's take another example. Five, 75 and 80. These are the three numbers I am taking, 65, 75 and 80. Now 65, 75 number, first I am finding the HCF. 65 one time, 65 and difference is 10. Continuing division by taking this 10 as a divisor. 10 6 60. Difference is 5. Continuing division by taking this 5 as a divisor. 5 2 is 10. Leaving remainder 0. Therefore, HCF of 65 75 is 5. Now step 2. This is 5 and 80. Now 80 is divisible by 5 we know. Okay. And how many times divisible? 5 1s are 5. 5 3 left. 5 6 is 30. 16 times divisible. 16 5 is 80. Leaving remainder 0. Therefore, we say that HCF of these three numbers 65, 75 and 80 is, what the last divisor? 5. 5 is the HCF. This method we call it as division method. These are the two methods we use for finding the HCF. Thanks.